our third guest is Slim Dog. Slim Dogs. Welcome to the program, Slim Dogs.
Thank you very much, DJ Chilla.
I heard you are a champion of medley videos.
Come on, man. Also, Angel House is a champion.
All right. Slim Dogs.
Yes.
The king of medleys. How did that come up? Did you just start with medleys, or you did other normal videos before?
I just started in 2002.
2002.
Yeah, with single videos.
All right.
I was just experimental videos. But in 2007, I did a couple of videos. But in 2011, when I produced the Zimbo Flavor medley, that's when people started recognizing me.
All right.
Yeah, it's Slim Dogs Entertainment.
Before, were you doing, I know in 2002, Zindatsu wasn't even there, was it?
Yeah.
So what sort of videos were you doing?
I was doing R&B. I still remember it is R&B for underground artists.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
R&B, hip hop.
Any ones that you can mention?
There's two underground. There's two underground.
But would you do? Cause
I worked with Victor D.
All right.
Yeah, I worked with Lady B back then. Yeah.
I see now you are just doing dance. So are you going to be doing also other genres?
For now, it's sim dance.
Why?
It's my favorite. Yeah, it's my favorite. To be honest, it's my favorite type of music. So when I'm doing the video, I really get into it.
All right.
Yeah.
Is it affordable? For an artist to do a video, how do you charge?
It all depends. It all depends. Yeah, sometimes to sometimes because ziripo ndizora kuendesa zvinhu kumberi.
Anditi? Yeah, ndakaona the unity that Zim Danzo has, it's amazing. It's completely different from any other genre. And another thing, kana kuti even ndiro kuma studio kwenyu mutongopinda unorecorda mahara. Kusvika zvazoita sei? Kusvika zvazonyasofaya. Slim Dogs.
They can follow me on Facebook, Slim Dogs Entertainment. They can follow me on Twitter as well.
Alright. Yeah. We've come to the end of our program. My name is Chilla. Join us again next week for another edition of Backstage, the official access to the main stage. Stand by for the news at 9, and after that is Judgment Yard.
Vachafane hatata, atotanga makata, vachaira makasa, chakacha.